Hi guys, today I've made freshly baked 3 ingredients butter cookie. It's easy to make and it melts in your mouth. The measuring cup I'm using is 250 ml. Let's start. You need half cup of sugar, that is 100 gram, and blend and make into a fine powder. In a mixing bowl, add the powdered sugar and 113 gram of unsalted butter. Approximately half cup plus 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter. Mix well with a spoon or a spatula. After mixing, use the electric beater. Beat it till the butter turns to pale and light color. This is the texture you will get. It's pale and creamy. Approximately you need 1 plus 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour, that is Maida, and that is 196 gram. The butter cookie mixture is dry when I try to combine. Nothing to worry, add warm milk, add gradually and mix well till the mixture becomes a soft dough. Here I am adding a teaspoon of warm milk. Totally I have added 3 teaspoons of warm milk. Be careful to add milk gradually, otherwise the cookie dough will become too sticky. If your cookie dough becomes too soft or sticky, then add flour and powdered sugar till you get that soft ball texture. The cookie dough is well combined and has a soft texture. To know that our cookie dough has a right texture, just take a little cookie dough and use the finger to combine the dough the way I am showing in the video. Then roll it into a soft ball. This shows your cookie mix is perfect. In a baking tray, I applied butter and kept the parchment paper on it. Scoop the cookie mix onto a spoon for even measurement. You can use half tablespoon or 1 tablespoon scoop. To make the cookies with the beautiful imprints, I am using the fork. Preheat the oven for 10 minutes in 140 degree. I have slow baked the cookies. It takes 30 to 35 minutes. It depends upon the size and heating. These cookies will be soft when they are out of the oven. When it cools down, it will have the right amount of crisp and softness which melts in your mouth. While baking, the edges of cookie will turn brown color. This indicates cookie is baked. If you like my video, please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.